Have you ever seen a bird? So pink, so elegant, that it looks like a dream flying over the water. This is nature's pink masterpiece, the Roseate Spoonbill. If you love rare wonders of nature, don't just watch, feel them. Because nature speaks in colors. The Roseate Spoonbill is found in the southern parts of the United States, especially around coastal marshes and wetlands. Its spoon-shaped bill is long and wide, and it moves it side to side in the water to sense tiny fish and insects. With that long bill, it can easily catch fish. When something touches its bill, it instantly senses the vibration and snaps it shut to grab its prey. And when they fly together in beautiful groups, it looks like pink light waves floating over the water. Truly, this bird is a reminder of the endless beauty and perfection in God's creation.